When was the last time you did this to your poor old expansion chambers? See that drill motor? See that cable? See that mess on the end of the cable? If you do this, wear a face shield and wear leather gloves. Ask me how I know. I did this once before and pulled that wire out of there while it was still spinning, and it flung up and hit me in the face. Just about caught my eye, and you wouldn't want that to happen. It'll take your eye out, I'm sure, very quick. I don't know if much is going to come out of these pipes. I may have done this right before I used them last time. This really doesn't do much if your pipes are oily inside, which I think these are. Yeah, these pipes are too oily. Nothing's coming out. I just tried to shake that one out. I'll put some photos up of my Toomies I did off of my Thrasher bike, which was apparently running a little better than this one was last time. This must have been running, well, this one was running premix, 32-to-1 premix. The idea is to make sure your cable extends a little bit past halfway so you can run it through the header side and then through the outlet side, and then dump it out. It works quite well when they're dry and crusty in there. It's a couple days later, and I want to say these Toomey pipes here that you'll see photos in just a little bit toward the end of this video, when I decoked these, I'm pretty sure I heated them up quite extensively. You'll see in one of the pictures that pretty much all the paint was burnt off of the outer part of the pipes. So I think to get my decoking method to work properly, I heated these up a ton and dried out all the oily gook inside the pipes. These tree ornaments here, Spec 2 pipes, I attempted to decoke these and you saw they were an oily mess inside. I didn't want to heat them up because the finish on them was pretty good to begin with, and I was trying to retain as much of the paint on there as I could after I did the repair. Got that? So heat your pipes from the outside, or I guess some people actually, I think I've seen people, well, I'm not going to even say that on here. Heat them up, cook that paint off, and cook the oil out of the inside.